Welcome back, everyone. This is lecture 2 of our tenses series, and today we're learning all about the simple present tense. It's one of the most important tenses in English because we use it every day for talking about habits, facts, and regular actions. Let's dive in. What is simple present tense? The simple present tense describes things that happen regularly, things that are always true, or things that we do every day. Formula. Here's the formula you need to remember. For I, you, we, they, we will use subject plus base verb. Example, I walk to school. Here subject is I and verb is walk. For he, she, it, we will use subject plus base verb plus s/es. Example, he walks to school. Can you find subject and verb here? If you know, then comment below. That's it. Simple, right? When to use simple present tense? In habits. I brush my teeth every morning. In facts. The sun rises in the east. In routines. She goes to the gym every day. Practice time. Now, let's practice. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb. Write your answers in the comments, and I'll check them for you. That's all for today's lesson on the simple present tense. Make sure to practice, and in our next lecture, we'll cover the present continuous tense. Stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.